Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can add products on Wix website. So first thing that you do is you just have to open your Wix website and then log in to your account. Okay, so currently I already selected my website. Then after that, all you have to do here is to tap on the edit site option that you can see at the top right of your screen. All right. And then let's go to the product page. So tap on your page option at the top left of your screen and then proceed to the product page. Okay, so this one right here. So since this is a studio template, I have ready my existing products here. So what we're going to do is to remove all of those products and replace it with our own products. Okay, so once you're here, you have this manage products option. So just tap on this one and you will be redirected to your dashboard. So once the dashboard is open, you have this new product option. But before that, of course, we are going to delete or remove all of the existing product that we can find here. All right, after that, tap on the delete option and then confirm your action. Now to add your own product, tap on the new product option at the top right of the screen. And then we have physical product, digital, and print on demand. So I'm just going to select the physical product. Then after that, right here, you are going to upload all of the details of the product that you are going to upload. So of course, we have here the title of your product. So for example, activewear, and then you can add images and add videos. So for the images, you just have to tap on this one, and then you just have to upload the images from your computer. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to use random photos from Wix. Just going to search for activewear. And then once done, you just have to select the photos. Okay, so you just have to tap on this upload media. So for example, this one, and then tap on the add to page option. All right, and then if you would like to add videos, then you can add videos as well. And then for the basic information, we have here the activewear, and then of course the description of your product. All right, and then of course we have here the pricing. So for example, the price of this product is 450 pesos. And if this product is on sale, then you just have to toggle the switch on for this one. Okay, and then if you would like to add more options for products, then you just have to tap on it. And then we have the inventory and shipping. So you just have to fill out these fields. Then after that, you just have to save your new product. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.